Good morning, everyone. We're going to explore this great piece of software called the Niagara Navigator, and we're going to just take a look at how your community has changed over time. First thing I want you to do is to go into your web browser and type in Niagara Navigator, and it should be the first hit that comes up. And you want to write here or click here on Explore Niagara Navigator. Sometimes it gets a little glitchy. It depends on your settings in Chrome of whether it's going to allow you to use these graphics. Um, Sometimes it works, sometimes it just gets blocked. I can't figure out why that happens. Once you're in here, what you want to do is change the base map over to imagery. So that's the satellite imagery. And we'll just find the school here, 535 Lake Street. And over here is where you click, and that'll take you to the destination. So here's what we look like today. There's the high school, but you'll see at the bottom here we can go back in time. There we are in 2006, but we can go all the way back to 1934, and you can see the dramatic changes that have happened. So explore around where you live, take a look at your whole communities, see what's changed. You can see here in St. Catharines, the city was much further to the south back in 1934. We've got the old Welland Canal cutting through our neighborhood. So just south of the school here was the actual Welland Canal, and that's all been filled in now. Um, and then you can take a look at Port Dalhousie. In particular, this week we're going to be looking at Port Dalhousie and seeing the changes that have occurred there. Take a look at the island here and see how much of a change has happened over time. A few things to note. The big squares tend to be farmers' fields, whereas rough-looking areas like this is forest. Small little tiny squares tend to be your houses, and anything that's straight is obviously a human type of feature. It's neat that you can see the old ships here down in the harbor back when Martindale Pond wasn't used for rowing. Instead, it was meant for Great Lakes freighters. So explore that today, and then you'll know what we're doing tomorrow.